Good morning, everyone. We want to welcome everyone here this morning for our presentation about youth environment engagement. The first thing to say is that the future of this world is our future, and it seems like the adults sometimes forget this. We are the young people, and whatever the adults leave behind will be ours to deal with. We must have a clear understanding of what the issues are and what we can do to deal with them. This, of course, is the first thing that we as young people can do to engage with the environment, learn as much as we can about the issues so that we can address them. Our environment is facing two big problems: pollution and global warming. There are three types of pollution, and Pei-Pei will tell you about the first of the three: air pollution. Air pollution is a major environmental issue. One of the primary causes of air pollution is industrial emissions. Factories and power plants burn fossil fuels like coal and oil, releasing dangerous gases into the air. Another cause is vehicle exhaust. Cars, trucks, and buses produce large amounts of pollutants like nitrogen oxides and particulate matter as they burn gasoline or diesel fuel. These pollutants are not only harmful to human health, causing respiratory problems and heart disease, but they also contribute to environmental issues like acid rain, which can damage forests, lakes, and buildings. A measure of air pollution is PM 2.5, an indicator of the amount of dust particles in the air. In our part of the world, we know very well about high PM 2.5 levels. Thank you, Pei-Pei. Yes, we do experience the harmful effects of air pollution, and it's time we address the problem. Next is Yuri to describe some ways in which young people can engage with the problem. One way young people can help is by using cleaner forms of transport. Walking, biking, or using public transport instead of driving can reduce the amount of harmful emissions released into the air. Also, young people can encourage their schools and communities to switch to renewable energy sources, like solar or wind power, which produce less pollution than fossil fuels. They can also raise awareness about the importance of reducing energy consumption by turning off lights and electronics when not in use. By spreading the message, young people can inspire others to make changes that contribute to cleaner air and a healthier environment. Thank you, Yuri. The air pollution problem is clear, and we need to act now, young and old. The next speaker is Boss, and he will talk to you about water pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances are introduced into bodies of water like rivers, lakes, and oceans. A major cause of water pollution is industrial discharge, where factories release pollutants directly into water bodies. Agriculture also contributes to water pollution when pesticides and fertilizers are washed into rivers and streams by rain. Additionally, household wastes such as plastics and chemicals can end up in the water. The effects of water pollution are severe. Contaminated water can harm aquatic life, leading to the death of fish, plants, and other organisms that rely on clean water. Polluted water also poses a significant risk to human health. Drinking or coming into contact with polluted water can cause diseases. Moreover, water pollution can harm entire ecosystems, affecting not only the water itself, but also the land and air surrounding it. Thank you, Boss. The harmful effects of water pollution are indeed many. We need to take care of our water resources. Over to Mammoth to tell us how young people can help. Young people can help prevent water pollution by being mindful of what goes down the drain. Avoiding the disposal of chemicals, oils, and non-biodegradable products in sinks and toilets is a simple yet effective way to keep water sources clean. They can also participate in or organize cleanup efforts along rivers, lakes, and beaches to remove trash that might otherwise pollute the water. Additionally, young people can advocate for the use of environmentally friendly products, such as biodegradable soaps and detergents, which are less harmful to water bodies. By raising awareness in their communities and making responsible choices, young people can contribute to the protection of our precious water resources. Thank you, Mammoth. Very inspiring. Thank you. Let's go back over to Pei-Pei now. She will describe the cause and effects of land pollution. One of the main causes of land pollution is the improper disposal of waste. This includes littering, dumping garbage in open areas, and not properly managing landfills. Waste from factories and farms also contributes to land pollution, as toxic chemicals can end up in the soil, making it unfit for agriculture and harmful to wildlife. The effects of land pollution are many. Contaminated land can lead to the loss of fertile soil, making it difficult to grow crops and affecting food production. Additionally, polluted land can cause health problems for people who live near these areas, such as skin rash, birth defects, and even cancer. Moreover, when toxic substances enter the soil, they can eventually find their way into water sources, causing further environmental damage. Thank you, Pei-Pei. But how can we as young people have an influence? Back over to Yuri again to fill us in. Yuri. Young people can start by practicing and promoting proper waste management. This includes reusing and recycling materials whenever possible. By participating in community cleanup events, they can help remove litter from local parks, beaches, and neighbourhoods, preventing it from contaminating the land. Also, young people can educate others about the dangers of improper waste disposal and the benefits of composting, which reduces the amount of garbage that ends up in landfills. By taking these actions, young people can help preserve the land and ensure that it remains safe and clean for future generations. So, now we know all about the pollution problem. Let's learn about one of the biggest problems facing humanity today, which is global warming. Boss will detail this one. Over to you, boss. Global warming refers to the gradual increase in the Earth's average temperature, largely due to human activities. The burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, is a major cause of global warming. This releases large amounts of harmful gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to a warming effect on the planet. Deforestation is another major contributor to global warming. Trees that absorb carbon dioxide are cut down, reducing the Earth's ability to regulate its temperature. The effects of global warming are wide-ranging and profound. Rising temperatures are causing polar ice caps and glaciers to melt, leading to higher levels and increased flooding in coastal areas. Global warming also contributes to more extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. Additionally, it disrupts ecosystems, threatening the survival of many species and reducing biodiversity. If there was apocalyptic music, this is where it should sound. Global warming is the single biggest threat to the human race. You may think, how is it possible that young people of our age can do anything about such a catastrophe? But there are some steps that we can take. Back to Mammoth again. To fight global warming, young people can take action by reducing their carbon footprint. They can do this by conserving energy at home and school, such as by using energy-efficient appliances and encouraging others, especially the adults, to do the same. Planting trees is another powerful way young people can help, as trees absorb carbon dioxide. They can also spread the word about renewable energy and protecting forests. By educating themselves and others about the impact of their choices, young people can lead the way in creating a more sustainable future. Their collective efforts can make a significant difference in slowing the pace of global warming and preserving the planet for generations to come. Thank you, Mammoth. Your final contribution has returned to a point which we made at the very beginning. Education is the key for young people and environmental engagement. We should learn everything there is to know about the issues. Knowing the reality is the first step. Then we should advocate. We should educate others, friends, family members, maybe even strangers. Spread the word far and wide. This world is ours. It is we who will inherit it. For ourselves, let's save it together. Thank you for listening to our speech today. We hope you all have a very good day.